everyone, I'm Jill. Welcome to Mama J Crochet. Today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to do a slip stitch. A slip stitch can be used to join stitches together, like closing off a circle. Maybe you need to connect the beginning and ending of a border, or you just need to move the yarn and the hook from one position to another and add minimal height. You could also use this stitch in a pattern, but it is often used in combination with other stitches. The slip stitch is very easy to learn, so let's get started. When you're making a slip stitch, you won't use a turning chain because the stitch is designed not to create any height. Going to insert your hook into that first stitch. Going to yarn over, pull through, and now you're left with the 2 loops on your hook. With any other stitch, we would be yarning over again at this point. But with the slip stitch, you're going to continue and pull that first loop through that back loop. And you don't want to make these too tight because if you're using the slip stitch to create your entire pattern, it'll be difficult to get the hook back into that slip stitch coming across the opposite direction. So let's go ahead and do that again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then continue to pull through that second loop. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. Do a couple of more and then I'll show you some other examples of why you would use a slip stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through, and pull through. Okay, so that is a row of slip stitch, and as you can see the difference between these two and what our other rows look like. These are made up of half double crochet, and this is a slip stitch, so you could see the difference of the height there between the two. Okay, as I mentioned before, a slip stitch could be used to close a circle. So when you're creating a circle, you're going to create either your single, your double, whatever the pattern calls for in making that circle. And to close it, we're going to do that slip stitch. So we would insert our hook into the top of that chain, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through that second loop, just as we did on the other example. So you can see here, we have closed our circle. So a slip stitch could be used to close your border. Once you've put your border around your project and you're ready to close off the border and tie off, you would come to the end where you've already put your 3 stitches in. Some patterns call for 2 stitches in each corner, some call for 3. So to close it off, you're going to insert your hook into that first stitch there. Yarn over, pull through, and then pull through again. So that closes the corner of our border, and we're ready to tie off at this point if that is the last of the border that we're going to create. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click that notification bell so you know when I post other videos. Have a wonderful day. Happy yarning!